Afraid of losing your important iPhone contacts? Here we recommend the best software called Aiseesoft iOS Data Backup Restore for you to help you back up your iPhone contacts. Install and launch this software on your computer. And then choose iOS Data Backup Restore to enter the main interface. You can now choose iOS Data Backup mode to backup iPhone contacts. Follow the guide to connect your iPhone to computer via USB cable. When it is connected, two backup options are provided: standard backup as well as encrypted backup. If you choose standard backup, just choose the data type and back them up. For encrypted backup, you'll first set a password for your backup to protect the private information. Here we take the feature standard backup as the example. Click Start and you will see all the file types you can backup. Find Contacts and Messages Contacts options and choose it. Then click Next to begin your contacts backup. If you are the first time to use this software, you need to choose the destination folder where you want to save the backup files. You can learn the backup information clearly, including the backup size and path. When it is finished, you can see the Congratulations interface. And here you can choose Backup More or Restore iOS Data. Now you are successfully back up your iPhone contacts. Okay, that is it for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed.